Good morning everybody. Welcome to Ivan Simple Video. I'm going to show you how to install Nest Thermostat today. Process is pretty simple. Alright, before you go buy this, just check with your utility company. They might have a rebate. Let's open it. Let's see what we have it. This is third generation thermostat. It's pretty neat, looking nice. It's instruction. It's a base plate. Got two screws. I come up with a little screwdriver. Some mounting plates. I guess this is for the junction box or something. If you have a junction box, I think that's what it is for. There are smaller screws in there. If you're using this box, you might need this screw. You need this small screw. Alright, that's what it is. This is a Honeywell thermostat. This is for my heating unit. My air conditioned thermostat is over here by the steps. That's a air condition. So I had to do it. You gotta pull this wire up or bring it up in the attic. Gotta go over. Bring the wire down here. That's the first thing I had to do it. And the heating is only 2 wire for this. Do not take a wire first. Take a base plate. Otherwise you make a wire out. This is a fell inside the wall. If that happens, it's going to be a bad day. So take a base plate out first. Before you do anything, go to circuit breaker panel. Make sure the power is off. Or boiler, by the boiler is a little toggle switch. Make sure that turn off. Pull the wire out a little bit. So I got a big nice slack, so it won't go in the wall. You take a base plate. If you got a short wire like this, get a clip. Find a clip like this. Then clip the wire. This way it won't go inside the wall. This is with the package, net package, the wire label. Before you pull out the wire, put the label in there, corresponding to this is the letter R and W over here. Take it, put it over here. Then I just bring it over my air condition wire from the other end. I bring it over here. I'll show you when I'm splicing. Next thing I gotta patch is all. Let me do that, then I'll be back. If you have to patch a hole, cut the sheetrock like this. Make sure this is cut nice and square, rectangle. Then cut it, sheetrock like this. Just gently, just a knife, go over like this, and break it, then peel it like this. See this, like that. I learned it from an expert, like this. So then you can put it on the hole. Then you don't need to tape it. Just with the compound. Okay. Watch. Do you see it? And compound it. This way, no taping. Then I had to paint it. Okay, now we have to install the base plate. I got all wires set up. Now I'm going to install my base plate. This base plate had its own level bubble. You just make sure use a plastic angle. If you got a hollow hole, you got to use a plastic angle. Just a snuggle. Don't try too much. All you need is just a snuggle. Okay, the red wire for air condition. This is my air condition. Red is going to the RC. Just hold this clip right here, then a little hold on back, then push it all the way in, all the way. Then try to pull it back. Make sure it won't come out. Okay, green going to the G. All the way inside. Okay, yellow going to the Y. Okay, good. Okay, this is my heating boiler. It's a red and white. The white. Red is going to be W1. Strip the wire about half inch is good enough. Then push it all the way inside and then let it go. Then you just pull a little back. Make sure this is be locked in. That's all the wiring. Then dress up a little bit. Make sure all the wire nice and neat. Otherwise, when you put thermostat in, you might get a problem. Bring it to 70. Set. That's a Nest Thermostat installed.